The Gateron Oil King V2 switches are designed to provide a smooth and quiet typing experience thanks to their factory pre-lubrication. With an operating force of 55 grams, these linear switches offer a comfortable and responsive feel for both gaming and typing. The switches feature a black-plated 20mm spring and a gold touching point, ensuring durability and consistent performance. An optimized mold design addresses axial shaking, enhancing stability during use. These switches boast a lifespan of up to 80 million keystrokes, making them a reliable choice for heavy typists. Compatible with custom gaming keyboards, the Gateron Oil King V2 switches are a versatile option for enthusiasts.